Success is not the destination. It's the journey of relentless determination. In the symphony of life, success is the sweetest melody played by those who never gave up on their dreams. The canvas of success is painted with the bold strokes of perseverance and passion. Success is the echo of hard work reverberating through the corridors of time. In the book of life, success is written in the ink of resilience. The road to success is paved with the bricks of discipline and the mortar of determination. Success is the sunrise that rewards those who never stop chasing their dreams. The key to success unlocks doors marked by patience, persistence, and purpose. Success is the destination reached by those who dare to take the first step. In the garden of life, success is the flower that blooms in the soil of dedication. Success is not measured by the heights attained, but by the obstacles overcome. The orchestra of success plays the most beautiful tunes for those who master the art of resilience. Success is the result of turning setbacks into stepping stones. The architecture of success is built on the foundation of hard work and the pillars of perseverance. Success is the sweet fruit harvested from the seeds of ambition sown with diligence. In the tapestry of life, success is the golden thread woven by those who chase their dreams fearlessly. Success is the reward for those who see challenges as opportunities in disguise. The summit of success is conquered one step at a time with determination as the guide. Success is the harvest of seeds planted in the fertile soil of dedication and watered with discipline. In the dance of life, success is the graceful movement of those who have mastered the steps of resilience. Success is the sunrise after the darkest night, promising a new day for those who persist. The journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint, and it's fueled by passion and persistence. Success is the sculpture carved from the stone of perseverance and shaped by the chisel of determination. In the gallery of achievements, success is the masterpiece painted by the brush strokes of hard work. Success is not about reaching the summit, but about enjoying the climb and learning from every step. The story of success is written by those who dare to turn the page of fear and uncertainty. Success is the phoenix rising from the ashes of failure, stronger and more resilient than ever. In the language of success, the alphabet is comprised of effort, persistence, and passion. Success is the applause of a fulfilled life earned through dedication and perseverance. The map to success is drawn by those who explore uncharted territories with courage and curiosity. Success is the journey where each step is a testament to resilience and determination. The symphony of success is composed by those who play the instruments of hard work and dedication. Success is the destination reached by those who stay committed to the path they've chosen. In the garden of achievement, success is the fruit of patience and the blossom of perseverance. Success is the result of planting seeds of ambition and nurturing them with the waters of determination. The blueprint of success is etched by the architects of resilience and determination. Success is the destination for those who navigate through the storms with a compass of perseverance. In the mosaic of life, success is the masterpiece created by placing the pieces of determination together. Success is the song sung by those who dance to the rhythm of perseverance and passion. The summit of success is reached by climbing the stairs of hard work, one step at a time. Success is the crown worn by those who overcome adversity with grace and resilience. In the script of life, success is the plot written by those who script their destiny with determination. Success is the sunrise that brightens the horizon of those who persist through the darkest nights. The journey to success is a marathon, not a sprint, fueled by passion and sustained by perseverance. Success is the fruit of patience, the result of tending to the seeds of ambition with care and dedication. In the orchestra of life, success is the melody composed by those who play the instruments of resilience and determination. Success is the mosaic of achievements, pieced together by the hands of determination and hard work. The journey to success is a dance, and those who succeed are the ones who never stop moving. Success is the painting created by the brush strokes of hard work on the canvas of determination. In the novel of life, success is the story written by those who never skip a chapter, no matter how challenging.